Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 16th and you know it's 2020 COVID season. We're still in that. And yeah, my profits for today is $75.49. Again, usually I trade Amazon, which is a ticker symbol AMZN. Today was pretty intense, really intense. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's just go here to show trades. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so what I did today, I should say, is that I actually I messed up pretty much today. I messed up, even though I came out green today. I can definitely admit that I messed up a little bit because the same thing that I did yesterday. You know, we waited for the. If you watch my last video, which was from yesterday, you notice I spoke about having to wait on Amazon to drop first, like with the first drop, and then it bounces and then you get in. So what I did was, after I got in, I messed up pretty bad because I got in early. I actually profited, but what happened was I probably profited maybe like, I'd say like $30 or so, and instead of just like calling it a day, I actually went back in again. So that's my mistake number one. And then what ended up happening is that it actually sold off a lot. So which means you can definitely see that I held it here and then it sold off a lot. And going in, it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. So my first thing I should tell you is that usually whenever you're taking a trade, because in the past what I usually do is that I would trade 30 shares per you know, every time I go into a trade I would do 30 shares. But now I realize that if I go in with less, you know, shares, I will be actually in a better position where I can just average down my price and, you know, come out green whenever I choose to. So I did that. I usually so now I did 10 shares, it dropped, and then it dropped again, and then it just continued dropping. And with me being 10 shares, which means I only traded with close to $30,000 today, which isn't that bad. Whereas if I would trade 30 shares, it would have been pretty much like 90,000, which is like insane, right? So again, we're focused on the process of things. So as soon as it dropped, I waited until the reverse happened, so it actually bounced back, meaning it had its support right here at 29.20, where you can see here the lowest point was 29.18, and then it had a support and then it came right back up. So I didn't sell until it passed my last entry point, so making sure that I profited, and I came back out on the green. And then again it dropped and then it bounced again. I did not get in. You wait for another drop, so which means this has to confirm here first, and then it bounced again right here from this line here, 29.96. If you look right here, this would have been our previous resistance right here. So it broke through this resistance, and once it broke through, I got back in again, took a couple more trades, and sold at the top right here, profiting $75.49. Obviously, again, the way that I trade is I scalp, so I get in and then I get out. I try not to hold for too long. Again, the reason why I stayed in this trade here is just to make sure that I was able to understand where the support levels were and the resistance levels, and knowing what I know, you know, by tracking of the futures as well. We saw that it actually reversed, and we know that today was going to be a red day. Like mostly all the stocks were red for today. So again, that's what makes a great trader, a very good trader, you know, when he can profit in red trades and when he profits on green days, profit in red days or in green days. So yeah, that's my process for today. And yeah, just let me know if you like it. You know, how did you guys do today? Are you guys you know, profiting consistently? You know, make sure you don't overtrade as well. To me, this is definitely considered overtrading, but again, because I have practiced a lot in the past, I know exactly what to look out for when to take my trades. Again, I always stress that you trade above the EMA, never trade below it, because you're gonna be screwed. You're pretty much gonna be screwed. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section how you guys did for today, and how are you planning on growing your account. And yeah, that's it. Just make sure you smash that like button, the subscribe button. Man, this is YouTube, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube. Peace.